What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best brad nailer in 2022. There's a lot of choice for brad nailer. The brad nailer is one of the tools that helps spur the DIY movement and made many projects accessible to home DIYers and pros alike. Brad nailers use smaller nails, 18 gauge, that are less likely to split fine moldings, unlike a finish nailer's larger 16 gauge nails. Brad nailers also have smaller noses, allowing DIYers to nail into the most intricate moldings without leaving a nail head standing proud. The result? DIYers can tackle trim, cabinet, and furniture projects without bruising their thumbnails or denting their workpieces with errant hammer blows. Shopping for the brad nailer, one that is high quality and suited to the project, will level up the results. This guide will point shoppers in the right direction when it comes to choosing one of the brad nailers for most home trim and cabinet projects. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Bostitch Brad Nailer. Anyone looking for an overall top quality brad nailer may want to check out the Bostitch BTFP12233. This brad nailer fires 18 gauge brad nails between 5/8 and 2 1/8 inches long. It also features a tool-free jam release mechanism that allows the user to quickly and safely clear jams. The Bostitch's smart point nose tucks into some very tight spaces due to its reduced size and wedged shape. Users can adjust the fastener depth with Bostitch's dial-a-depth system for the best control. It comes with a 1/4 inch fitting for air hoses, a hard carrying case, and extra tips. The BTFP12233 is an oilless brad nailer, meaning maintenance is relatively low, and it won't spray oil on a workpiece or molding. Users can also switch between single shots and bump activation, and the integrated belt clip features a built-in pencil sharpener. Just beware that the contact tip of the brad nailer does not need to be depressed to fire a brad. Specification and features. Brand: Bostitch. Type: pneumatic. Tool-free clearing: yes. Modes: single or bump. Item weight: 1 pound. Product dimensions: 12.2 by 11.7 by 4.5 inches. Color: yellow, black. Material: plastic. Power source: air-powered. Voltage: 110 volts. Reasons to buy. Smart point nose fits in tight places. Toolless depth control and jam clearing. Oil-free design for less mess and maintenance. Features single and bump firing modes. Reasons to avoid. Fires without contact tip depressed. Number 2. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. The NT50A2 brad nailer from Metabo HPT is worth a look for those wanting a high-quality nailer with toolless jam clearing and adjustments. This 18 gauge nailer can fire brads between 5/8 of an inch and 2 inches, a wide enough range for most remodeling and trim projects. This model features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust port to direct the air away from the user's face. The NT50A2 features a reload indicator in the magazine that clearly shows when the tool is low on brads with a quick glance. Users can also quickly switch between single-shot mode and automatic bump-style firing. The hose fitting port sits at an angle, allowing users to tuck this brad nailer into tighter spots. It comes with the fitting for an air hose, safety glasses, a hard case, and extra tips. Keep in mind that Metabo HPT was formerly Hitachi, so some of the branding and parts might be confusing. Specification and features. Brand: Metabo. Item weight: 2.2 pounds. Product dimensions: 10 by 2 by 9 inches. Power source: air-powered. Warranty: 5-year. Reasons to buy. Adjustable exhaust port. Reload indicator that alerts when low on brads. Angled hose attachment for easier use. Reasons to avoid. Confusing branding. Number 3. When 61721 18 gauge brad nailer. When it comes to tools that pack a lot of value into low price tags, When leads the way. The 61721 brad nailer is an 18 gauge nailer that fires 3/8 inch to 2 inch long brads, making it more versatile than some much more expensive nailers. It features a spring-loaded magazine, an adjustable depth drive, and toolless jam clearing for more ease of use features than many other value-minded tools. The WEN's 61727's exhaust port is adjustable, allowing users to steer it clear of their faces or dusty surfaces. This brad nailer is a little heavier than other options on the list, and doesn't feature an automatic bump setting. However, the WEN comes with a hard carrying case for safe storage and easy organization. Specification and features. Brand, WEN. Item weight, 2.7 pounds. Product dimensions, 10 by 8.25 by 2.75 inches. Pattern name, nailer. Type, pneumatic. Tool-free clearing, yes. Modes, single only. Specification and features. Brand, WEN. Item weight, 2.7 pounds. Product dimensions, 10 by 8.25 by 2.75 inches. Pattern name, nailer. Type, pneumatic. Tool-free clearing, yes. Modes, single only. Reasons to buy. Value-minded price point. Tool-free adjustments and jam clearing. Adjustable exhaust port. Reasons to avoid. Heavier than other models. Doesn't feature bump firing. Number 4. DeWalt Brad Nailer Kit. You're serious about arming their toolkit with the same nailer many pros prefer may want to consider the DWFP12231 brad nailer from DeWalt. This pneumatic brad nailer handles 18-gauge brads between 5/8 of an inch and 2 inches. It also has a tool-free jam release to clear jams quickly and easily. The DeWalt's depth of drive easily adjusts without tools, and even features detents to snap into along the way, making these adjustments consistent and reliable. The maintenance-free design means this model won't spray the work surface with oil, a real benefit for pros. It comes with a hard case for protection, as well as a pair of safety glasses. The one thing it doesn't have is an automatic bump mode. The DeWalt's depth of drive easily adjusts without tools, and even features detents to snap into along the way, making these adjustments consistent and reliable. The maintenance-free design means this model won't spray the work surface with oil, a real benefit for pros. It comes with a hard case for protection, as well as a pair of safety glasses. The one thing it doesn't have is an automatic bump mode. Specification and features. Brand, DeWalt. Item weight, 2.65 pounds. Product dimensions, 13.03 by 3.74 by 13.09 inches. Batteries, lithium-ion batteries required. Color, yellow. Material, blend. Power source, air-powered. Warranty, 3-year. Reasons to buy. Toolless jam clearing. Depth adjustment detents for accurate settings. Maintenance-free, no oil necessary. Reasons to avoid. No automatic firing mode. Number 5. PorterCable Cordless Brad Nailer. For portability and ergonomics, PorterCable's PCC790 20 volts max cordless brad nailer might be the answer. This model fires 18-gauge brad nails in lengths between 5/8 and 2 inches, and features ergonomic weight distribution for user comfort in a variety of positions. This also makes it one of the lightest cordless battery-operated nailers in its class. This PorterCable model features a tool-free jam release to allow the user to clear jam brads quickly and safely. It also has a tool-free depth adjustment wheel with a view window, showing the user how deeply the adjustment is set. It also features LED lights for dark work areas. There is a downside, however. This tool doesn't feature an automatic bump firing mode. Specification and features. Brand, PorterCable. Item weight, 5.9 pounds. Product dimensions, 13.88 by 5 by 12 inches. Batteries, 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Power source, battery powered. Voltage, 20 volts. Warranty, 3-year. Reasons to buy. Lightweight, ergonomic design. Tool-free jam clearing and adjustments. Onboard LED light. Reasons to avoid. No bump fire mode. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.